I love you. Okay. Now I want to share with you our right wheel dance. Can you come forward? Yes, thank you. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, can we start? Can we start? Yes. Okay. This dance called Goyang Pita Pita. It's a Papua Indonesian song called Pita Pita. So I named the title is Goyang Pita Pita. Goyang means shake, dance, Goyang Pita Pita. It's a 32 counts, 4 more. Beginner level. Okay? Yes, and have 3 tracks in this dance. 3 tracks, 4 counts. Okay, let's start. From section 1, we have 4, diagonal 4 shuffle. 1 and 2, and left 3 and 4. Diagonal 4 shuffle. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then we have walk back. Out, out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? One more time. Section 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just shake the body, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then section 2. Section 2, cross, recover, side. Cross, recover, side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And we have walk around 3/4 turn right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay. One more time. Section 2. Your weight on your left foot. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Section 3. We have cross samba. 2 cross samba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And do pivot, turn left. 5, 6, 4 shuffle. 7 and 8. Can you? Section 3, cross samba. With your right foot. 1 and 2, 3, pivot. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, from the top. From section 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7. Cross samba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, last section. Last section is right mambo, left mambo, right mambo. We step, we touch. 5, with your left. 6, back 7, touch. We step, we touch. Okay, one more section 4. 1 and 2, left foot. 3, right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And finish. This is your second walk. Okay, from the top. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and walk. 5, 6, 7, cross samba. 1 and 2, 3 and pivot. 5, 6, 4 shuffle. Side mambo, 5, 6. Okay, we try second walk. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1 and 2, 3 and roll. 5, 6, 7, cross samba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Mambo left, mambo right. 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of walk 2, we have flags. Flag is guest box. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, forward. Cross, back, side, forward. Yes, go with right foot. Okay. Try the back, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, walking. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross samba. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 4 shuffle. 7 low. 3 and B. 5, 6. And also, at the end of wall 3, we have legs. Same like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then try to walk for 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, samba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And also, we have legs at the end of block 5. Okay? Can we try it? Okay, music.